Okay, this is about the 5th time I've tried to make this video. So hopefully it goes well this time and I get done. Okay, so we're on the chemical methods of control, which starts on page 138. The first thing it says to do is to prepare a dilution. That is only if your test substance that you brought in requires a dilution. So keep in mind that I told you to bring in a test solution. So bring in something that you use to clean your kitchen, your floor, your bathroom, mouthwash, whatever you want to bring in, okay? Now if it requires a dilution, something like this pine sol, it'll tell you on the instructions what dilution to do. So you just follow those instructions. If it doesn't require dilution, like something like this spray bottle, then you just put in 5 mils, okay? So if you look on number 2, it says put 5 mils of your test solution in one tube and 5 mils of the bleach that we use on the lab bench in another one. For that, you're going to use these type of pipettes, and remember with these you roll it to pull it up and then roll it down to get rid of it, to push it out. So these are the pipettes, and the green one are for the 5 mils, and then later we'll do a 1 mil and you use the blue one, okay? I'm not sure if we're going to have the big blue tubes or these tubes. Either way, that's what you're going to put your substance in. Okay, and then step number 3 says divide one plate into 5 sections. So, you know, just remember to do it on the bottom of the plate rather than the top because the lid can move, okay? And then after you've divided it, you label them 0, 2.5, 5, 10, and 20. Those are time increments, okay? On the other place, you're going to divide it in fourths because you don't have that 0 sector. But the same thing, 2.5, 5, 10, and 20, okay? Then on step number 5, it says to take a loop full of your staph aureus. So remember your sterile technique. You're going to be flaming, wearing gloves, goggles, and all that stuff. We'll just pretend this is staph aureus. You'll take the lid off, flame it, get your loop full, and you'll put it in that sector 0, okay? That's a control, just to ensure that the staph aureus even grows on its own, okay? Then you're going to sterilize it, go through the whole procedure, okay? Number 6, it says transfer 0.5 mils of staph aureus into each of your tubes, okay? With that, you're going to use the 1 mil pipette, and of course, you would go up to the 0.5. And so you take your staph aureus, put 0.5 in your bleach, 0.5 in the substance that you brought in to test, okay? Then number 7, let's see, 7, yes. You take a loop full of whatever the substance is and you put it on the plate. Now, on the plate you have the different time increments, 2.5, 5, 10, and 20. So what that means is after 2.5 minutes, you take a loop full of the bacteria that's been sitting in the bleach and a loop full of the bacteria that's been sitting in your substance that you brought in. So the one that has the bleach, you put on the plate that had the 5 sectors, and you take a loop full of it and you put it in the 2.5 sector. Then flame your loop, and then you'll get a loop full of the other substance and you'll put it on your other plate, okay? Then after 5 minutes, not 5 more minutes, but 2.5 more minutes equaling 5 minutes, you would do the same thing. Take a loop full and put it on the 5 sector of the plate. After another 5 minutes, which is 10 minutes, you do the same thing, and then another 10 minutes is 20 minutes. So basically we're checking to see, first of all, does that disinfectant work very good? And second of all, the longer it sits, is it going to work longer or work better, okay? And then with these, you're just going to put them in the incubator inverted. So that's the chemical methods of controlled disinfectants. Pretty simple and straightforward. So I'll see you on Wednesday.